Hi guys! Today Gio discovered a hand crank generator. Wait, not yet.
Oh,
We need
okay.
to. So ngayon, importante itong aming na-discover ni Gio kasi pwede na kayong mag-charge ng cellphone kahit walang power or brownout. For example, kung nabagyuhan or walang kuryente dahil sa bagyo or naputulan ng kuryente o kaya nawala ng power. So, kailangan nyo ng charge ng cellphone. So, anong gagawin? Ito ang aming na-discover ng aking baby. Why are you like that? Why are you like that?
Sleepy.
Don't be sleepy. You just sleep. We will not make videos anymore.
Okay.
Oh. So what we need is, here are the ingredients for the hand crank generator.
Electric
You don't need to do like that.
Okay.
So kailangan nyo ng electric fan. Kahit anong electric fan. Okay, and then the next ingredient that we need, the next equipment that we need is 2 pieces of wires.
And tape.
Then the other one is tape, and then we have a charger and cell phone para ma-try natin kung gumagana yung ating hand crank generator.
Okay, that I'll hold.
Improvised hand crank generator using an electric fan. Alright? So, what you will do first is maglagay ng wire sa plug ng electric fan. So, this is the plug of the electric fan, and just attach 2 wires on it. And then, you will just attach the 2 wires here. You will just attach the 2 wires to the... Where are you going to attach it? Of course, to the
Here, let me show.
charger of the cell phone.
Let me put it like
Show it.
like
Show it on the camera.
like this. You see that hole there? You do like this. You make a loop, and then you twist, and then you
Louder your voice.
and then you repeat the
Show it.
in the other one.
Say something so that people will know what you're doing.
And then twist.
Then you show it first.
Supposed to look like this.
So it's supposed to look like this after you're done twisting it and connecting it to the charger.
Charger. Daddy just removed it.
Alright, so it's like this. Oops. Okay, so now, paano natin malalaman kung working na ang ating hand crank generator? So, kapag papaikot
Wait,
natin,
Daddy, tell them it's real.
yeah, of course it's real. So, papaikot natin, oops.
No, that should be off so that they will see.
Okay. So, papaikot natin ang ating generator. You go backwards. Yan. Tapos, itong electric fan, papaikot nyo lang gamit ang itong lapis. Or kung ano man ang pwede nyong pampaikot sa electric fan.
Tayo bilis mo.
Okay?
Tayo bilis
So, let's try it now. Tignan nyo ang electric fan. Wait. Let's show first that we're not faking it. So, ito po ay naka-plug sa electric fan. At ito ang kanyang plug. At ito naman ang charger na connected dito. At yung charger ay nakakonekta sa cellphone. Alright, so now, papaikot ko na yung LC ng electric fan at titignan natin kung mag-charge itong cellphone. Okay, let's go. At wait. Yan. Ayan! Nag-charge na po. Charging.
No, they use your hand now.
You see, when the electric fan is not working, the charging stops. Pero, kapag pinapaikot ko sa aking kamay, remove the cellphone anak so that they will see it. My hand is spinning the ano. Yan, pinapaikot ko po ang electric fan gamit ang kamay ko. And so the charging.
The light.
Yes, that's the charging indicator. Kaya nagcha-charge.
Wala na.
Wala na. Alright.
It's 13 na.
13. Wow, nag-charge na siya ng ilang percent? 1%.
So before it was 12.
Yes. Oh, show it again. Show it again. Yan, papaikot ko po gamit ang lapis ang electric fan. There, charging.
Daddy, I hear your voice also pulsing.
Yes, because of the electric fan.
Play more faster.
So yan po, kahit wala kayong
Daddy.
electricity,
Ayun.
pwede na kayong mag-charge gamit ang ganitong method na na-discover ng aking baby boy. Alright, so if ever na brown out or emergency situation, you need to charge your cell phone, just do like this. Okay?
Okay.
If may bagyo or may kahit ano man na nagkaroon ng brownout or blackout, no power, just charge it using this method. Alright guys, thank you for watching and hopefully may nalaman kayo sa aming experiments.
Bye,
So
guys.
say bye. See you next time.
Make sure to like and subscribe.